And and nowadays, I don't know about you guys. I know we've been talking about AI on and off. I take every contract that I get sent for anything and I put it into ChatGPT. It goes into a project for that property. I have a project for in ChatGPT for every single one of my properties. And so when I add the document, now anytime I want a question answered, the insurance documents are in there, the management contract is in there, the contract for the security is in there, everything that I have contracts on is in there. So I just go to chat and I ask a question about that property now. And that answer usually comes pretty quick. And I'm not going to claim that every document for every property is in chat for each one of these projects. If you don't know what I'm talking about on projects, I think you got to be in a paid version of chat. But rather than just having random chats that go down the left-hand side that you got to go looking for, you actually can have folders with projects and name those projects, and it's like a folder. You click it, it opens up, and everything that having to do with that project that I've talked to chat about is has its own line within that project. So I can go into Cherry Hill, which is that 105 unit complex that I was just talking to you about. If I have an attorney for something, my contract with the attorney goes there. Any correspondence goes into chat. So the documents that chat is using for the answers is all lives in ChatGPT. So I can easily go to a mentor, if you will, and ask a question about that property, regardless of the category of the question, because it has all those documents over time, and I can get my answer pretty quick. I don't know how we got down there. Oh, insurance. So yeah, if you have a question about, if you just randomly upload it to ChatGPT and don't have the projects I'm talking about, you can upload it and it will say, what do you want to know? I put in the instructions, you are a whatever specialist, and you advise people on, in this case, it would be insurance all over the country for commercial policies. You're known as an expert. People come to you for advice on insurance, and I am going to be one of those people as well. Please tell me a summary of the document I just uploaded. Please tell me what's covered and what's not covered. Usually I'll start with what's not covered, just to save time.